Let's solve some examples on algebraic functions. So here we have questions like differentiate y with respect to x or find dy by dx. So here is our first question, y is equal to x square. So let's see the formula which I have taught. So if the formula is y is equal to x raised to n, its dy by dx is n into x raised to n minus 1. Applying the same formula over here, so we get dy by dx is equal to, here I am comparing degree 2 with n, so keeping n down, which is 2 down, and x raised to 2 minus 1. So we get 2 into x raised to 1. Final answer is going to be dy by dx is equal to 2x. Okay, let's see the second example in which we have y is equal to 5. So as you can see here, this is a constant. As I've explained in the previous lecture, constant derivative is always 0. So when I take dy by dx, because there is no x term, of 5 is going to be 0. So final answer is dy by dx is equal to 0 of any constant if I have. Okay, now the third example is y is equal to 6x to the power 4. So here we have one constant along with the index x to the power 4. When we differentiate, we are going to keep the constant as it is, that is 6, keeping the degree of x down, which is 4. So 6 into 4 constant into that degree into x to the power 4 minus 1. So we will be getting 24x cube. So final answer for this particular example is dy by dx is equal to 24x cube. Consider the next example of negative index. I have particularly considered this negative index so that you will get an idea of how to solve with negative index. So when I take a derivative of y with respect to x, same rule, keeping the degree down as it is negative, I am writing it in the bracket, into x to the power minus 3 minus 1, that is n minus 1. So this is going to be minus 3 into x to the power minus 4. So for the answer we can write it as dy by dx minus 3 upon x to the power 4. If you want, you can write it in this form or this positive index form. Now next example is a y is equal to root of x. So you know that root of x, we can write it as x to the power half. So applying the same rule, keeping the degree down half and down half into x to the power n minus 1. So this is going to be half into x to the power minus half. So when I want to write the final answer, this is going to be dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. So negative power, I have kept it down. As it is minus half, it is going to be 1 upon root x. So final answer is 1 upon 2 root x. Consider the next example in which I have taken algebraic expression. So we have multiple terms over here. What we can do when we find dy by dx to such an expression is, we have to take derivative of each and every term and whatever is the sign that we have to retain as it is. So let's solve this. So we have here x cube. So applying the same formula, keeping the degree down, 3, x to the power 3 minus 1 2 plus x. So simple x, that means degree is 1, keeping that degree here 1, x to the power 1 minus 1 is 0, plus, as we have already seen in the previous example, any constant derivative is going to be 0. So this is going to be 3x square plus 1, because x to the power 0 is 1. Any variable to the power 0 is 1. So this 1 into 1 is 1. So final answer is going to be dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 1. So this is about algebraic expression and various examples.